Hello everyone. Now let us have the last topic of the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss plotting the points in the plane, our Cartesian plane, if its coordinates are given. Now till now what we were doing, in a plane we were finding the coordinates of the point which is in the plane. Now we will plot those points into the plane if the coordinates are already given. Okay. So some examples are also given in your book. Plus let us have directly the exercise question so that you can have the idea how to do the exercise questions. Okay. Let us have that exercise 3 point. Exercise 3.3. First question, in the same way as we will do the first question, in the same way we will do the second question also. So let us have the question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So definitely we are going to have first Cartesian plane, then our axis, and then finally we will plot the points. Let us write the points which we need to plot it first. -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and the last is -3, -5. -3, -5. Okay. Let us draw our Cartesian plane. This is y-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So maximum where we have to do the divisions of the number lines, that is x-axis and y-axis, that we will take it from the coordinates which are given. Okay. -2, 4. So on the x-axis -2, 3, -1, 1 and -3. So on the positive maximum 3 it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4 let us have. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And -1, -2, -3, -4. Similarly on the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 and down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and we have that much space, so I have drawn till 4. Okay. You can draw, you can do the divisions more. Okay. Now our first quadrant. Let us this point as A, this point as B, this point as C, this point as D and this point as E. Okay. So where is our point A? -2 is the abscissa. The value on x-axis here -2 and 4 on the y-axis, positive direction of y-axis 4. So let us draw the perpendiculars from -2 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Where they will meet each other, that point will be A, whose coordinates will be -2 and 4. Okay, understood? Let us have the next one. 3, -1. The positive direction of the x-axis 3, this and -1 for ordinate, that is on the y-axis here. Let us draw the perpendiculars from point 3 and -1. From both the numbers we will draw, where they will meet, that point will be B, whose coordinates will be 3 and -1. Okay. Now point C, -1 and 0. Where is -1 on the x-axis? Here. Where is 0 on the y-axis? Here. So perpendicular from here to here, they will meet here. We need not to draw the perpendiculars. It will on the x-axis only. Okay. So this point is C, whose coordinates are -1, 0. Okay. Now point D, 1 and 2, both are positive. 1 for the x-axis and 2 for the y-axis. So this point will be D, 1 and 2. Now finally E, -3 and -5. -3 on the x-axis, -5 on the y-axis. X-axis -3, y-axis -5. Let us draw the perpendiculars like this. So this, the last point is E, whose coordinates are -3, -5. Easy? It's very simple. So I hope you have all the doubts. All the doubts I have made it clear. More doubts if you have, you can ask. Okay. So this is the topic, plotting the points in the plane if the coordinates are given. Okay. In the table type also you get x, values of x, values of y, that means the values of abscissa and the values of ordinate, and you need to plot those points in the Cartesian plane. Okay. I hope you have understood these things. Thank you so much.